In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable automatic currency conversion in Stripe, a feature that's incredibly useful for businesses operating in multiple countries. Having the ability to process payments in different currencies can greatly enhance your business's flexibility and help you better serve your international clients. Let's walk through the step-by-step process together, ensuring that you have a seamless experience in setting it up. To get started, we'll need to head over to the Stripe dashboard. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to dashboardstripe.com. Once there, you'll be greeted by the home page of your Stripe account, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your business transactions. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on that to open up a menu with various configuration options for your account. This is where you can control and tweak settings to best suit your business needs, so take a moment to explore if you haven't done so already. After accessing the settings menu, direct your attention to the section labeled Payments. This is an essential category since it houses all your transaction-related settings. Click on Payments to proceed. Here, you'll find a plethora of options for managing how you receive and manage payments, but today we'll focus on a specific feature, adaptive pricing. In this next step, look for a section titled Adaptive Pricing. This feature is key to enabling automatic currency conversion in your transactions. It allows Stripe to automatically adjust prices based on the currency of each individual transaction, making it incredibly efficient for international sales. Once you find the adaptive pricing section, you'll see an option labeled Enable Adaptive Pricing. With a quick click, you'll activate the feature. This will allow Stripe to seamlessly convert default prices to the relevant currency whenever a transaction is processed. It's a time saver for businesses, reducing the need for manual price adjustments while ensuring pricing consistency across different regions. And that's it! Just a few quick clicks and your Stripe account is now set up to handle automatic currency conversions. This means that you can focus more on growing your business while Stripe takes care of the complexities of international pricing and currency adjustments. Before we conclude, just a tip. Be sure to regularly review your transaction settings and reports to ensure everything aligns with your financial goals and strategies. With your new setting activated, you should find international transactions much smoother and more efficient, helping you reach a broader audience with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy transacting!